In the first part of section 9.4, we're asked to solve the equation by completing the square. Little side note here, you must show all work to receive credit on the test. If we need to do any rounding, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. Our first step when completing the square, step number 1, we take our b value and divide by 2. Our b value in this case is right in front of x. It's negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Our next step would be to take negative 8 and square it. Remember, regardless of what your calculator tells you, whenever you square a number, the result is always positive. After we square negative 8, we add the results of 64 to both sides of the equation. Then on the left side we have to factor. We had the nice shortcut. We made a square. Our variable is x. The number that joins x inside the parentheses is the same one as when we did b divided by 2. The negative 15 plus 64 is 49. Now from here we need to solve using our square roots. On the left hand side, taking the square root just undoes the squared. Then on the right hand side, remember the square root of 49 could be positive 7, could also be negative 7. We do need both of those cases for solutions. Add 8 to both sides, x equals 15, x equals 1. In number 2, we still want to complete the square, but it's a little different. We have to first move the constant of 15 over to the right side. In order to complete the square, we need the squared term and then the plain old x term all by itself before we can start dividing b by 2 and continuing from there. So now we've moved 15 to the other side. Now we can do b, which is negative 8, divided by 2. We end up with negative 4. When we square negative 4, we get positive 16. We take positive 16 and we add it to both sides of the equation. But remember, on that right hand side, we had the negative 15. It's no longer just a 0 over there. It's a negative 15. When we factor the left hand side, x is my variable. B divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 15 plus 16 is positive 1. Now I know some of you, when I do the shortcut, you're thinking, Miss Golly, wait, where does the 16 go? Remember, if you wanted to at this point, just a nice little refresher opportunity, to factor it, you could do our method where we multiply to get 16 and we add to get negative 8. The two numbers that will work, actually it's just one number, it's negative 4 twice. So we would have x minus 4 and an x minus 4. That would give us x minus 4, that quantity squared. It's the same thing times itself. So if you don't like the shortcut, you're more than welcome to do the multiply add to go ahead and factor that trinomial. From here now, solve using square roots. Taking the square root undoes the squared on the left. So we have x minus 4. Square root of 1 could be positive 1. Could also be negative 1. And again, we do have to make sure we end up with 2 solutions. And yes, we do need both of those.